గ్రూప్ 1, గ్రూప్ 2, గ్రూప్ 3, గ్రూప్ 4 ఉద్యోగం ఏదైనా చూడాల్సింది టీశాట్, వినాల్సింది టీశాట్ పాఠ్యాంశాలే, అనుసరించాల్సింది టీశాట్ నెట్వర్క్ నే, పాల్గొనాల్సింది టీశాట్ క్విజ్ లో మాత్రమే. లక్షలాది మంది నిరుద్యోగులను వీడియో క్లాసుల ద్వారా గ్రూప్ 1 ఉద్యోగాలకు సిద్ధం చేసిన టీశాట్ తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం ఇటీవల విడుదల చేసిన గ్రూప్ 2, గ్రూప్ 3 ఉద్యోగాలకు క్విజ్ కార్యక్రమం నిర్వహిస్తోంది. TSPSC ఆధ్వర్యంలో భర్తీ చేసే ఏ పోటీ పరీక్షకైనా నిరుద్యోగ యువతకు టీశాట్ నెట్వర్క్ అందుబాటులో ఉంటూ పరీక్షకు కావలసిన అన్ని వనరులను సమకూర్చుతోంది. వినియోగించుకోండి, విజయాలను మీ సొంతం చేసుకోండి.
TSPSC Group 4 10th episode. First question. Which among the following sugars is maximum in honey? Option A, glucose. Option B, sucrose. Option C, fructose. Option D, maltose. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, fructose. Next question. Cell membranes contain some biochemicals which are responsible for cell recognition and adhesion. They are option A, proteins. Option B, lipids. Option C, glycoproteins and glycolipids. Option D, none of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, glycoproteins and glycolipids. Next question. Which of the following groups of plants is known as Magnoliophyta? Option A, gymnosperms. Option B, angiosperms. Option C, algae. Option D, bryophyte. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, angiosperms. Next question. Which among the following helps to determine the character of a cell? Option A, nucleus. Option B, chromosomes. Option C, genes. Option D, plasma. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, genes. Next question. The Indian pie plant or monotropa can be best placed in which among the following groups? Option A, parasite. Option B, saprophyte. Option C, insectivorous. Option D, lithophyte. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, saprophyte. Next question. Xerophytes can tolerate and stand against option A, high temperature. Option B, severe cold. Option C, high humidity. Option D, drought conditions. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, drought conditions. Next question. Which of the following is most inclusive category of classification among others? Option A, order. Option B, class. Option C, phylum. Option D, family. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, Phylum. Next question. On which of the following the escape velocity of a body does not depend? Option A, mass of the body. Option B, radius of the planet. Option C, mass of the planet. Option D, none of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, mass of the body. Next question. What is the effect on apparent frequency when the distance between the source of the sound and listener is decreased? Option A, it increases. Option B, it decreases. Option C, it remains same. Option D, none of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, it increases. Next question. The branch of physics that deals with the concepts of heat and temperature and the interconversion of heat and other forms of energy is known as? Option A, calorimetry. Option B, thermodynamics. Option C, thermostatics. Option D, electrostatics. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, thermodynamics. Next question. What happens to a bar magnet of dipole moment placed in a uniform magnetic field? Option A, the force on the bar magnet is 0. Option B, the torque on the bar magnet is m into b. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. Which of the following is a commonly used moderator in a nuclear reactor? Option A, heavy water. Option B, graphite. Option C, water. Option D, all of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Which of the following nonmetals is most electronegative? Option A, neon. Option B, fluorine. Option C, chlorine. Option D, oxygen. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, fluorine. Next question. Which of the following shows double fertilization? Option A, gymnosperms. Option B, angiosperms. Option C, algae. Option D, all of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, angiosperms. Next question. Which of the following are the characteristics of amphibians? Option A, 2 pairs of limbs for locomotion. Option B, heart is 3-chambered. Option C, live both on land and in water. Option D, all of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. The spread of plant pathogens through the air is called option A, hydrochory, option B, zoochory, option C, anemochory, option D, anthropochory. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, anemochory. Next question. Platyhelminthes are commonly known as option A, flatworms, option B, roundworms, option C, ringworms, option D, none of these. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, flatworms. Next question. B cells and T cells are two types of cells which are involved in option A, innate immunity, option B, active immunity, option C, passive immunity, option D, acquired immunity. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option D, acquired immunity. Next question. In which part of the human body thymus gland is located? Option A, between both cerebrum, option B, located above heart, option C, behind hypothalamus, option D, in throat. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, located above heart. Next question. Listeriosis is a serious infection caused by option A, Listeria pestis, option B, Listeria monocytogenes, option C, Listeria papillomavirus, option D, none of these. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Listeria monocytogenes. Next question. Air bladder in fish acts as option A, hydrostatic organ, option B, accessory respiratory organ, option C, both accessory respiratory organ and hydrostatic organ, option D, primary respiratory organ. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, hydrostatic organ. Next question. Incomplete combustion of a fuel gives poisonous dash gas. Option A, carbon dioxide, option B, isocyanate, option C, carbon monoxide, option D, nitrogen. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, carbon monoxide. Next question. In nuclear reactors, which of the following is used as moderator? Option A, uranium, option B, iron, option C, graphite, option D, platinum. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, graphite. Next question. Blue litmus paper turns which color on contact with an acidic solution? Option A, red, option B, brown, option C, green, option D, yellow. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, red. Next question. The plant hormone that plays important role in establishing dormancy in seeds is option A, ethylene, option B, gibberellic acid, option C, abscisic acid, option D, auxin. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, abscisic acid. Next question. What do we call the wave if the constants of the medium oscillate perpendicular to the direction of wave propagation? Option A, transverse waves. Option B, longitudinal waves. Option C, electromagnetic wave. Option D, matter wave. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, transverse wave. Next question. Which of the following compound of sodium is generally prepared by Solvay process? Option A, sodium carbonate. Option B, sodium hydroxide. Option C, sodium chloride. Option D, all of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, sodium carbonate. Next question. Which of the following is correct about manganese? Option A, it is an alloy of copper, manganese and nickel. Option B, it has virtually zero temperature coefficient of resistance. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Next question. Which of the following is an example of secondary battery? Option A, mercury cell. Option B, nickel cadmium cell. Option C, dry cell. Option D, all of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, nickel cadmium cell. Next question. Which of the following is a polymer of amino acids? Option A, starch. Option B, cellulose. Option C, proteins. Option D, none of the above. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option C, proteins.